Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 16 of NEWvember challenge. We're going to the second half to see what we can do. I'm going to try to step up my game, get a little bit more steps in every day to finish out the month strong. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day to stay on track and be accountable, be sure to watch this video. For breakfast this morning, I made a little corned beef omelet. I had some of my canned corned beef left over, so I wanted to finish that up. So that is 6 points for that. And then I have a 1 point Kodiak cake pancake. It's an oatmeal one. And I have it with some sugar-free breakfast maple syrup. So that's my breakfast. It is 7 points. And I had an iced coffee, so that'll be 8 points total. At the gym, getting some steps in today, working on the rest of November. If I can finish it strong. Let's go. When I'm walking, I like to listen to music or listen to a book. Sometimes I listen to YouTube channels. Today I'm listening to some Latin music, so it makes me walk faster. So I stopped at Aldi's when I went out of the gym, and I got a few things interesting. I got this caramel nut bar. These are 4 points a piece. And then I bought a peanut butter crisp, fudge crisp. These are 3 points a piece. And a cranberry almond bar. Those are 3 points a piece. And I bought 3 petite sirloin steaks, which are 5 points for 4 ounces. So we're gonna have that for dinner tonight, along with some baked potatoes. I bought some big Idaho potatoes. Got a cracked pepper turkey breast tenderloin. These are not 0 points because there's oil on them, but they're 3 points for 4 ounces. So I'll put the points up on the screen. 120 calories for a 4-ounce serving. And I had these langostino tails, which are lobster tails. They are teeny tiny lobster tails, so I'm going to have those with the steak tonight. Those are 0 points. I got some baby carrots, some ground chicken. This says it is fresh and lean, but it probably is not all breast meat, so we will treat it as such. I got 2 packages of the extra lean ground beef that I like to buy there. It's 96% fat-free, so I always like to have that around. Got this bag of chopped salad. I am not going to use the condiments that come along with it. I did just want the chopped salad, but I paid a little extra for it. But I'm just going to use the salad with my own low point dressing. And I bought 2 bags of this broccoli stir fry because I think I'm going to make a chicken stir fry in the upcoming days. I got a couple other things in the bag. I got some green onions, some asparagus, a couple of tomatoes for sandwiches, and some dark red kidney beans because it's cold and I think I'm going to make some chili tomorrow. And I bought a container of this ready-to-drink almond nog. It's 50 calories for half a cup. I don't know what the points are. I'll put them on the screen, but I saw it on another channel, and I thought I would try it because it's probably not as much calories as regular eggnog. And then, of course, Stowe coffee. Can't leave Aldi's without it. So that's my little Aldi's haul. I just ran up to get a few things after I worked out. I'm finding that it's easier just to shop a little bit at a time and get what you need than to buy a bunch of things and end up throwing them out. So that's what I'm doing, and that's my Aldi for today. Today's lunch, I'm having a sandwich with rotisserie chicken from Oscar Mayer. It's 0 points. I have some light Miracle Whip for 1 point, a tomato, 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful bread, and then I have 2 points worth of Sun Chips. So there is my lunch. It is 5 points. I'm starting my dinner off with a salad that is from that kit I got, and I'm going to use some of this Bolthouse Ranch, and that'd be 2 points for that salad. So there is my dinner. I had sauteed some asparagus at 0 points. The langostinos are 0 points. I put them in some garlic, and I can't believe it's not butter spray. And I have baked potato. That is going to be 6 points with 1 point for the light sour cream. And the steak is 5 points. So that is my dinner for tonight. For dessert, I'm having a bowl of sugar-free peach jello topped with 1 point's worth of fat-free Ready Whip. It kind of tastes like peaches and cream, so it's really good low point dessert. I'm having a little after dinner iced coffee with some peppermint mocha and creamer in it and a little bit of fat-free Ready Whip. So that is an after dinner beverage. For snack tonight, I'm having 3 pretzel rods. It's 1 point each. And I'm having a sugar-free pecan delight, which is 2 points. I like to take a bite of the pretzel and a bite of the chocolate. And that is my snack. And that's 5 points total. So that's going to end my day. So that's going to be the end of this What I Ate in a Day video. It's day 16 of NEWvember accountability. I ended the day using 31 Weight Watcher points. I was able to get out today and do some walking. I was at the gym. I got about 6,000 steps today. And I also worked out on the bike, and I did some weightlifting exercises, and I was there for about an hour. So that was really good. I got 128 ounces of water. So we're picking up those things. So let's get it done. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.